Here is my review of the Happymodel 703 15,000 kV motors. These motors are well built. They have a nice red color. The shaft is secured by an E-clip, and that's cool. The three mounting holes are wider than the Racer Star or Backlash motors, but same as the Sunny Sky ones. I'm sorry for the poor footage. This is my first flight and the camera was too much horizontal. My first impression of this motor is that they generate vibrations. This is okay, but clearly not as good as the Sunny Sky I have. I think they have a little bit less thrust for the same flight time. Also to mention, they are very quiet. Overall, these are good motors for their price, but definitely not the best.